Hello, flower enthusiasts. Would you like to turn your home into a lovely flower paradise without emptying your wallet? Today, I've got innovative flower gardening ideas for home that will completely change your way of thinking about home gardening. But first, imagine this. You set out in the morning, coffee mug in hand, and your front porch is awash with gorgeous container flower arrangements, colorful hanging baskets, and fragrant herb flowers that make your neighbors go agog. Sounds perfect, doesn't it? Let's make that a reality together. Before we start, let me ask you guys in the comments, what's your favorite flower to plant at home? I'd love to hear. Tip for 1. Create a container flower garden anywhere. One of the easiest ways to start flowers gardening for beginners is by container gardening. You don't need to have a big backyard, just pots, good garden soil, and your choice of flower seeds for home garden. Plant your containers in clusters for an abundance, layered look. Use bold colors like geraniums, marigolds, and petunias to create a bright display. Pots also provide an opportunity to relax and be creative with vertical flower gardening, perfect for patios or balconies. Try stacking tiered planters or hanging wall planters to maximize space. Tip number 2. Grow fragrant flowers for relaxation. Nothing is better than returning home to the scent of lavender flowers, jasmine, and roses. These perfumed garden flowers are not only attractive, but they also calm your nerves after a harrowing day. Plant them around your windows or entrance so you can smell their fragrance every time you walk by. Tip: mix pollinator flowers like zinnias and sunflowers to attract bees and butterflies for a vibrant living garden. Tip number 3. Design a color-themed flower bed. Want a cohesive look? Choose a color scheme and stick with it. For a calming ambiance, use blue flowers, white hydrangeas, and lavender. For drama, use red tulips, orange lilies, and yellow daisies. Color-themed beds are one of the most sought-after trending garden design trends, and they photograph beautifully for your Instagram. Quick question. Drop a comment below and let me know which colors you'd love to see in your garden. Tip 4. Easy flower gardening with low-maintenance plants. If you're busy or new to gardening, pick easy flowers to grow. Impatiens, begonias, and cosmos flowers thrive with minimal care and bloom for months. This is the secret to having a vibrant home flower garden that doesn't need daily maintenance. Tip number 5. Plant edible flowers. Why not grow edible flowers that are beautiful and delicious as well? Nasturtiums, calendula, and violets can color your salads and desserts. It's one of the most creative gardening tips to amaze your visitors. Tip number 6. Planting. According to the seasons plan, your seasonal flower bed so that there is always something in bloom. Spring bloomers like daffodils and crocuses start the year off colored. Summer blooming perennials like echinacea and daylilies follow. Chrysanthemums and asters keep up the show later in the year. This system prevents your garden from ever looking bare. Tip number 7. Maximize your vertical space. Small space? Don't fret. Get vertical with flower gardening by suspending baskets, trellises, or pallet planters on walls and fences. Morning glories and clematis blooms are climbing flowers that provide a lush backdrop and any small space the ambiance of an intimate garden. Tip number 8. DIY flower borders. Frame your garden beds with a charming flower border. Divide your space with ornamental grass, alyssum, or diminutive roses. A flower border adds class and coziness to any backyard garden. Before you go out, let me know in the comments, which of these flowers gardening ideas will you try first? If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that you never miss more trending gardening tips. We have lots more up our sleeves, including organic flower garden videos, indoor flower displays, and balcony flower gardens. Thanks ever so much for watching, and don't forget, every garden starts with one seed and a pinch of inspiration. Happy planting!